What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the R1M. Track prep, baby. We are going to check out PDM's new S1000, well, M1000RR. The new 50th, I believe it's the 50th, not 60th. I keep forgetting because there's so many, like, there's the 30th Honda, there's the, yeah, I believe it should be the 50th anniversary M1000, the yellow one that we already saw on the channel. They got one, so we're gonna go check it out, and after that we're meeting up with a few friends and we are going to get some work done on this bike. We're gonna be installing, I don't know why I never did it before, but I guess I was kind of like cool with having this, but we're going to install the quick release gas cap. We're going to be installing like axle sliders. We're going to be doing a coolant flush and like a little stem nut, blue one to match the bike. I also wanted to check out the quick shifter for me because I think my quick shifter is not working anymore. Like, it's so hard. Something's wrong with the sensor or something, where me upshifting, I have to press super hard on the shifter to upshift. Downshifting is kind of good, but upshifting, for whatever reason, it just doesn't want to shift. Yeah, it just feels off, so maybe we'll order another newer sensor or something like that. But come on, FTECU, what the hell? Very weird. It's always been like a little hard, but like I feel like over time it's only getting worse and worse. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much just the sensor going out or whatever. I have a backpack with like pretty much a whole gallon, because I have 2 half gallons of coolant in my backpack. It is not fun riding with a gallon and all the other parts. But man, I've been doing a lot of maintenance on a lot of things. It has not been fun.
Sir, you have one glove.
What's up?
One glove black. Did you know that when you walked out of the house?
Yeah, man, that's the whole point. How you doing?
Chill.
What was that supposed to be?
Just a sad high five.
This is nice. This page should be on there.
Well, that's the front one.
You
this is
tell
the
us.
back one.
Oh shit.
Is that the stand for it, Kay?
Yeah.
The
By
guy says
the
the
front?
front. The front. Is the front or the back? Or the
He
back?
didn't know.
Oh, he might have just gave you the front.
He
He has the rear one for his.
Yeah, I have the rear one of this one, but this is front.
I like it.
You like the color?
Yeah, I love it.
I'm mad about it.
This is so
I love the bike, but the color, I don't know.
He maxed it out to 130 miles an hour.
132 or something.
Yeah,
Yeah. He was saying the R1
it's limited.
Mustang GT500, and this feels like a GT3 RS. Like, it's so, the power is so smooth.
Yeah, but you haven't even felt anything of it. This bike is horrible because it's locked right now. And even after you unlock it,
Handling wise, more so, probably.
nah. I actually like this better for handling.
Like, smoother, you think?
Not smoother, but this is way sharper. Yeah, this is too artificial. It has way too much electronics. For like newer riders, it'll help you go faster, but this is way more like stable and it feels better.
That's why we gotta have one of each.
Exactly. He got the memo.
Carbon pops with that color a lot better.
Yeah, it definitely looks better in person, but I don't know, it just doesn't scream BMW as much. Like, you remember Troy's? With all the stickers?
Because the colors.
Well, that's what I'm saying. They're the same bike.
Ooh, that's nice.
Well, yours is an M2, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the same, exact same as Troy's. I was actually supposed to pick it up today, but as usual, it's delayed.
Great. Gotta get the mirrors for it.
Yeah, there's a long list.
So can't do the headers until you break it in, right?
I mean, you can, but like,
Oh, you can? Okay.
you can't remove the lock though. Only BMW can remove it. Yeah.
Is that muffler really heavy compared to...
It's full titanium.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, even the headers.
It might not even
Yeah.
be necessary to change. Hello?
Yeah, at least the yellow is kind of matching now. I need to take off the yellow on mine and make it like blue or something, but they don't make it in different colors. It's kind of annoying.
He was saying do the undertail thing, or the underbelly in carbon. That'd be fire.
Yeah, I didn't do. I just got the same belly in carbon. I didn't do the full because I'm getting pretty much a full titanium system.
The one from the... Yeah, like right now it's kind of nice riding it because there's no humming in my helmet.
Yeah, it's the quietest bike by far.
He said that exhaust, the slip-on, it's a titanium.
The entire thing is titanium.
Oh,
The headers are too.
Yeah.
You can see the titanium headers.
We just gotta drill out the cab and stuff.
That's a mission. I would just buy headers.
So
Yeah.
should I get acro then? Acro, right?
Yeah, acro titanium headers.
Okay.
If you want to keep this so it matches.
For now, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll see how that's gonna be. But if it's light, it's not worth changing it. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing with my Honda. That's why I'm just doing headers and keeping my acro slip on.
It's still gonna sound great, I think.
Yeah. I don't know if you've heard his, but because Troy had the same setup.
Yeah. He didn't start the bike. So.
Ah.
Does it? I don't know. Super quiet.
I love the display on this. It's so nice.
No push start though.
I know. I almost returned it when I did.
Oh, that sound made me miss mine a little bit, not gonna lie. Yeah, I was supposed to pick it up today, but
It sounds like she's uppity.
It sounds so smooth though. It sounds so smooth.
it rides really smooth. It's the smoothest riding bike for sure.
That's nice.
But even like the shifting when power shifting it,
Butter.
butter compared to that. That thing's
Yeah.
like rough.
Clunky.
But look at the
Even
Yeah.
look
this
at
is
the rear
rough.
sets though. The rear
Yeah, this one is just a little off because it kind of like over revs when you're downshifting.
These rear sets are factory ones are so good. They're like fucking Rizoma
This thing
on
feels
steroids.
like it's.
Huh?
This thing like I didn't even know it went into gear.
Yeah. I don't know. I just wish they did a little bit more like with some sort of decals for it or something. It's just too plain, I feel like, for a 50th anniversary, you know what I mean? I don't know. Yeah, it's something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just put some eyelashes right here.
Oh, that should be so funny.
That'll be perfect.
You'll stand out.
Not in the best way.
You guys are gonna have fun buying parts for this. Parts are so expensive for this bike. Like crazy expensive.
Do they make this in carbon? Do you know?
Yep, I have that.
Right.
I'm excited to show you guys my carbon build.
Like from the air.
Seeing how the M is. Mine's gonna have a lot of carbon. Alright. We got the squad. 2 BMWs and 2 R1Ms and a Ducati. We're all gonna go ride together. I do need gas. Gee, that GT3 RS. Right, literally, see? It just did it again. It just goes right into neutral. Yeah, something's off with the quick shifting sensor. And I'm worried because I'm going to be taking it to the track, so hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. Yeah, even the shifts sound kind of like off.
If I park it in front of me, I don't
don't have.
Huh?
I don't have a tank.
We have the same bike. What do you mean? It's 4.5 gallons.
No, it's not.
It's 4.5.
Mine's 3.5.
No, it's not.
You want to bet? Yeah, it is.
No way.
My tank is smaller.
Bro, it's 4.5.
Mine only allows 3.3.
Well, it only allows that's different because you're probably just never like that low. I'm really low right now.
I filled up today, and my F tank was on 800.
I doubt they made the tank like smaller.
We'll look it up.
Yeah, we'll look it up.
Get there. That's my theory. Don't go too fast because I don't know where it is.
Alright. The throttle is so like jerky on this bike. It's kind of like hard going back and forth, but I should be riding only this bike honestly to get used to it for the track. It's getting colder. The heat wave is over. It's almost hoodie weather. That'll be nice. I like hoodie weather. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. It's definitely starting to grow on me. I feel like the first time I saw it, I was like, nah. Now I'm like, it's kind of cool. The contrast, you know, the dark and black carbon fiber and the yellow. Yeah, it only takes me like a few kind of like stops to get used to this bike, and then usually it feels normal, because at the end of the day I did ride this bike the most, but currently I feel like it's the bike I ride the least. Honestly, I haven't ridden that Aprilia in a while, now that I'm thinking about it. I kind of wanted to take that bike to the track, but I don't know. I already have like aftermarket track fairings for this bike, and I already did the whole setup for this bike, so because I couldn't shift. Yeah, I doubt we're going to be able to get a sensor before the track day, so that is definitely not going to be fun, having to deal with that at a track. Right, I literally, like, with all the bikes, as soon as I fix something, there's always something else that pops up, and it's like, okay, now this is broken, you gotta pay to fix that. Ay, ay, ay. It never ends with the maintenance. Literally lost, like, the entire group. Hopefully, nobody got hurt, because there was so much traffic, and I was going, I couldn't, like, see behind me. I couldn't, like, see if they're following or not, and I don't know where I lost them. Camera died as always, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe, and I'll update you guys about the track parts, because I'll be riding this bike probably more to get used to it. Later, guys. Oh, we're live. Real quick, just to update you guys, we put on the blue steering stem nut, we put on the quick gas cap, axle sliders, flush, and I think that's all. Flush, I'm forgetting something, but yeah, that should be all. Alright, just wanted to update you. Bye.